guys, don't forget about this bed. So right now Margaret is here. She's about to help me. We have to sort out the souvenir boxes for my Ashrabi girls stroke bridesmaids, and those are some souvenirs for other people. Let's see. So we have everyone's name on that. So we're going to be placing it.
Going to the boxes.
Yeah. Oh, it's so pretty.
It's looking so fun.
Nice.
It's Umi, Larissa. Oh, Larissa Rose. And other people.
Claudia, Tulu.
Claudia.
Last person is Tulu.
Beautiful.
It's funny how I didn't even use anybody's short name. Hey, see?
It's not true. Yeah, it's nice. So guys, we're about to start, and these guys decided to print 2 names, and my name is not there. Oh Allah.
That ring light, I don't know what happened. The cord. So these are the boxes. So we're trying to place the gifts in them, and we come back. I know I'm not showing, but this is me. You're my breast.
Okay, so
can you see the sticker is bigger than this box?
let me see.
And you're telling me you cannot do that. Hey,
wait, where's that one that he did? That sample one.
It's pink now.
I don't think it's red. Is it big? Because he said he has to cover.
I did not place it well. So.
Let me see.
See, bumps. So I have to do it in a calm down.
Yeah,
So that you want to rush and go.
No, I'm not rushing now. Wait, what's the time? What's the time?
Check your phone now.
I don't know what it is.
So these are the ribbons for the Cara bags.
And go like it's actually very fine.
Yeah, no. Let's start. So Esther is now a bridesmaid.
So she has to get people.
I'm opening from this side, you're removing from this side too. Eh?
Calm down and put it, because me, I'm not putting it before I say Margaret. You did not fix this thing well.
What do you mean?
Wait, let me try and put for Vivian and see if I can get it.
Better try for those that have 2 names. So.
Okay, who has 2 names? Idara has 2 names.
You see what I was telling you? I told you change that Idara is Dara.
He put E.
That's what I was asking yesterday. They told me too that it's A. Then you saw A. Now can you see the E?
And she not go vex.
Idari. Whoa.
Was it E you gave him?
Hey. Idara.
Oh, wow. Well, it's.
Whoa. Hey, stay. I see what he did.
Come down.
Oh, enough. Yes. So guys, we're partially done. Let me turn this one a bit so we can see. This is cute. Margaret is still working. Don't mind my mattress that's here. And yeah, that's so lovely. Oh, there's Margaret. Margaret. Let's move it. Let's start. The navel you still need more pleats. Oh, it's nice.
And there's pleats now. This one. There are pleats, so but see. Are you seeing one?
Okay, yes.
It's just the ironing and arranging that we need to do. It's very difficult for me. I How to call it? Chop as well. But at least it's not around, huh? Don't chop. I think you have to sit down like this, right?
First phase went well, and we moved. And I came alone today. I was actually meant to come with one of my friends, but things happened. So I came alone, and it was great. Yay! I'll be able to sit down like this. Eh? I feel like a soldier. He's so firm.
So that they'll put hook, they'll put the other one, they'll put it. So tell Ali you now.